Well, what's happening, guys? We're going to talk a little bit today about these guys. Now, what are these? These are virtual walls made for the Roomba robot vacuums. Now, these are compatible with the Roomba's ISE 5, 6, 7, 8, and 900 series models. I've used them on the 675. That's the series I have. It's an older one, but still works good, and it does a decent job. I think it might do too good of a job. Like when you put it well, here for example, when you in the middle is off. When you flip the switch up, the little light comes on and blinks, as you can see, and that's laser mode, and that basically puts the wall out here. I think it was 10 feet. So what happens is the robot won't pass that wall, but it won't get within like 3 or 4 feet of that wall. So I found when you put it across the door, like for example, I wanted it to go in the room, but not to go like on the side of the bed. So I put it close to the door. I had to move it way in the door. Otherwise it would just turn around and not go in the room. So that kind of sucked. It also has halo mode, where it will create a virtual wall, a circle 3 feet around. That seemed to work pretty good. I like the halo mode. Where do you use these? So these are going to be on like around pet food dishes, for example. Now it's important to note that they have to remain on the floor, because the little sensor on the front of the robot, it's the same one that it uses for the charging dock. It's going to be looking right here. So if you put these up on the desk, for example, to try to keep the robot away from the desk, it's not going to see it at all. So they do have to be on the floor. These are not something that I plan on using all the time. In fact, my whole intention is to keep them on top of the desk right behind you guys there, and just whenever, like perfect example, when my wife's cooking dinner, the robot runs at 5 o'clock every day. She hates it. It's just underfoot, constantly running around the kitchen doing its thing. So she can grab one of these, stick it on halo mode, set it down over by the kitchen counter or something on the floor, and the robot will just stay away. So yeah, I got a lot more testing I need to do before I'm 100% sure, but so far I'm really enjoying these. Now I only paid, I think these are not the iRobot ones, these are the Chinese ones. As a matter of fact, the name is COODSS, COODSS. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I paid, I think it was $30 for the 2 of these. I will put the Amazon link down below, so if you guys want to try them out, you can. They do take 2 AA batteries, go right in the bottom, the gizmo like that, and yeah, so far so good. I will probably make an update in a year or 2 if I remember. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.